Hi, my name's Lou. I'm an artist and printmaker, and I'd love to invite you to draw and paint Celtic knotwork with me. Over the last few months I've been preparing a course. It's all pre-recorded videos, and there are 6 modules that take you through from your very first Celtic knot right through to being able to recreate the kind of knots that you might find in the ancient manuscripts and on Celtic stonework. Each module takes you through some of the theory, and we'll draw several knots in each one before choosing one to make a project that will finish in watercolour, sometimes with added ink pen, sometimes with gold. It's all been hosted on my bespoke membership site, and I thought I'd just take you through what it looks like a little bit behind the scenes today. When you go and log into the site, once you've chosen one of the levels, then what you'll see depends on what you subscribe to. So I've got it set up so that your monthly patterns, if that's what you subscribe to, you'll see those at the top of the page, and then you'll see like the last 8, I think, patterns underneath that, and then there's a button to see more if you want to, and there's over a year's worth, I think. Yeah, there's over 18 months worth of patterns on there, and with downloadable files to support them, and the video tutorials on how to make them. But then below that is where the courses will live. And I've got one course on there at the minute, but you'll see that there's room for some more. So I've got a few ideas in mind for future courses. And then you click on the course that you're subscribed to, that you're enrolled in, and you'll see the course page. There's some kind of welcome intro blurb at the top, and then the course content is all below that. And you'll see there's like a menu with all of the lessons in there. Each section has several lessons, and they're all split up into kind of a theory, a drawing lesson, and then a painting project. And in the drawing one, we might cover like 2, 3, maybe even up to 8 different knot patterns, but then we choose one of them to make a final project out of in each level. And of course you could pick any of the others to make a project out of as well. When you click on a lesson, you should see the video for that lesson, and then any supporting information. And then at the bottom of the page, there are links to some downloadable files. There's a supplies list for the course, but there are also some things that I thought you might find useful. So just different kind of grid setups and kind of blank pages that are set up with the grid formation in that will help you to kind of just speed up the process of doing your drawing knots. Lastly, there's a link to a forum, which at the minute is empty because nobody's using it, but I really hope that you'll populate that with discussion and questions, and share some of the works that you've been doing, some of the pieces that you've been drawing and painting as a result of the course. It's been really good putting together this website, and I really hope it's going to be a useful resource for you all. If you've got ideas for other courses or workshops that you'd really like to see me make, then do put them in the comments below. So I've taken a bit of a break from YouTube while I've been putting all this together, all of the course material and the website that hosts it as well. It's taken a lot of time and energy, but over the next few weeks I really want to kind of get back to creating some more videos for you that will showcase some of the things that I've been doing elsewhere. So I've got some plans. I don't want to say too much about them because whenever I have a plan and I announce it, something goes wrong, I get ill, or something unexpected in the world happens and I can't do it. So I'm not going to tell you what it is, but expect some more videos from me over the next few weeks. I think that's all I'm going to say. So I really hope that this is something that you're going to enjoy getting stuck into, enjoy creating patterns with me. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing what you make from it. So thanks for watching, and take care, and I will see you in another video very soon. Thanks, bye bye.